Hello there, my name is Joel Simwa, founder of Jolex. I'd like to say that our dream was making how could we use the human waste resource that was being wasted, that was being burnt and causing climate change into how could we transform this waste into clean energy and making electricity out of it. That was our first dream because we looked at our country and saw that only 17% of our growing population of 39 million people had access to electricity. So our first dream was how could we provide energy through human waste. That brought us to the concept of solving the water and sanitation issue that is also a very, very, very huge issue right now because as you see, there is one toilet for every 3,000 people and 8 every 10 Ugandans don't have access to a toilet. So our dream was collecting this human waste resource and using it as an energy or a fuel to make electricity. That is how we came up with the concept of Jolex. Our team, as seen in our application, is very diverse. We have an environmental engineer that is an expert in getting waste and turning it into energy. We have a sanitation engineer, we have a mechanical engineer, we have a legal expert, and we have me as a social entrepreneur. Our idea is very, very important because at first hardly anyone believed in it because they all thought that this was something of a developed country concept, something that was very, very impossible to be done here in Uganda, in East Africa, or Africa. So we believe our idea is very, very important because we've already built on it, we've already showed people that it's possible, and we've already showed our government, our Ugandan government, that we don't have to depend on only electricity to make electricity. And we also showed our government that through spending on public facilities like we are doing, we can actually solve the sanitation issue. Thank you very much.